Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to improve image quality with AI, specifically how to fix blurry photos using Canva AI. If you've got a photo that looks soft or pixelated, Canva's built-in AI can breathe new life into it in just a few clicks. Whether you're a Shopify store owner looking to enhance your product images or a beginner just getting started, this tool will help you create professional-looking visuals without needing advanced photo editing skills. Here's how to get from blurry to crisp without leaving your design. Start by opening a design and selecting the image you want to fix. This could be anything from product photos to promotional graphics, anything that needs a little enhancement. With the image active, look to the left-hand side panel and click on Apps. This is where Canva keeps all its AI tools. Having your image selected helps you see results in context and keeps everything organized in the same design, making it easier to evaluate the improvements. In the app search bar, type Image Upscale or Enhancer. You are looking for the AI tool designed to increase resolution and clarity, making the process much simpler than traditional editing methods. Upscaling uses machine learning to add detail intelligently, so you get more than a simple zoom. This tool doesn't just magnify the image, it enhances the edges and textures as well. The result? Cleaner edges, sharper details, and more natural-looking textures that would otherwise be lost in a pixelated image. When you open the tool, it will automatically apply enhancements based on the settings you choose. Simply upload the photo inside the tool, choose your upscale amount, 2 times, 4 times, or 8 times, and click Upscale Image. As a rule of thumb, 2 times is great for mild blur or web use. If you're preparing an image for your online store, especially for smaller images that will be displayed on product pages or social media, this is usually sufficient. 4 times works well when you need extra detail, such as when your product shots need to show more texture or fine detail, like fabric or packaging. And 8 times can help rescue very small or older images that were taken with lower quality cameras or scanned from physical sources. Keep in mind that higher scales take longer to process and create larger files, so if you're working with multiple images for a catalog or ads, consider balancing quality and file size. Also, pushing the scale too far can exaggerate noise, so pick the smallest setting that gives you the clarity you need to avoid overprocessing. If you prefer more manual control or want to fine-tune texture, Canva gives you the option to edit the photo further. Use the Edit Photo option, and then head to the Adjust tab. Slowly increase the sharpness to refine the image's details. A gentle nudge often looks more natural than a big jump, so start small and gradually increase sharpness to avoid making the image look too harsh. Watch for halos around edges, which can sometimes occur with over-sharpening. If you see them, dial it back slightly until the details look crisp but still smooth. This is especially helpful when the AI has already improved resolution and you just want to polish the final look without introducing any unwanted artifacts. Once the AI finishes processing, click Add to Design to place the improved image right onto your canvas. This will replace the original image with the enhanced version, making it easy to integrate into your overall design. When you're satisfied with the result, you can download your image in either PNG or JPG format. PNG is ideal when you want cleaner edges or plan to keep the quality high. Perfect for your website, high-res marketing materials, or print. JPG is useful for a smaller file size and quick sharing, which is great for social media posts, emails, or ad campaigns where speed is important. Either way, you'll have a clearer, more polished version of your original photo ready to use, whether it's for your Shopify store, a promotional flyer, or social media content. This is a great way to ensure your visuals are always looking their best, which can make a significant difference in customer engagement and conversions. That's it. Now you have the power to turn any blurry, pixelated photo into a high-quality, sharp image with just a few simple clicks in Canva. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials like this.